Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Now, again, this is a little bit different from, it's not like a rocket ship or anything like this, but this is CHWY, okay? And it came from our AI, Holly. The alert was at 4313, okay? So what did it get up to? It got up to 4574. So, that's a great move. It's about a 250 or so. What I really wanted to point out, though, was the fact that, somebody in our trading room asked the question, well, how does Holly do its exits? Well, first of all, you notice here that the alert was at at 10:23. This is Eastern time, and the AI got out of the trade at 11:24. Now, the reason that happened is because, the strategy that this came from was optimized for a 60-minute hold, a 60-minute hold. So that's when the AI is going to exit. You don't have to, all right? As a trader, why would you get out at, what was the exit price, 44.18? So 44.18, why would you get out here, okay, when the trade is still working unbelievably well? Now, I'm not saying you wouldn't maybe take some profit along the way if you want to, but, the best way, in my opinion anyway, to use the AI, it's what we call man and machine. The machine is going to, the AI will alert you to the opportunity, and then it's up to you to manage the exit. And just because the AI, this is an overall strategy that CHWY came from. So the overall strategy was optimized for a 60-minute hold, but the individual alerts that you get from it, way better to manage those alerts, the exits on your own, okay? Hopefully that makes sense, because there's no way, I'm not saying you couldn't take some out. It was kind of chopping around this area right here. But, why would you get out of the entire trade when you would have been leaving, over $1 so far on the table? So it's not so much that this was a rocket ship, but I do want to point that out because I think there's a big misuse of the AI. To me, it's more like a watch list. You can kind of get in when the AI gets in if you want, but manage the exits on your own. All right, I want to get back into the trading room, so any questions for me, you can use this email address, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.